Let's talk about fun topic, your sewer line. So this is really for buyers and sellers, but let's start with the buyers. You really should know what your responsibility is when it comes to a sewer line. It is important, and I always recommend doing a sewer scope during your due diligence, and that's basically a video that's going to show the entire length of your sewer line all the way down to the connection point at the city. The reason why this is important is because you're looking at homes, especially those built before 1970, have a lot of original cast iron and clay lines. Now, it's important to understand that these lines are not meant to last forever, so you want to find out what the health and the situation is with that sewer line. These are big repairs and can be a lot more than you financially can take on, so it's important to know that information early. Sellers, I'm gonna be honest with you, you need to get on board with it. If something comes up with the sewer line, this is money that's gonna have to be spent one way or the other. So work with these buyers. It is not an outlandish request because this is considered a major functional issue for the home. Buyers, I will be honest, there's always a solution, but you just need to be prepared for the financial responsibility. And hopefully that seller is willing to work with you. And I personally think that they should, but not every seller is willing to get on board. So you need to make the decision if you can financially take this on or not. Listen, dealing with sewers is never fun, but I promise it's in everyone's best interest to do this, especially for older homes, so that you know exactly what you're dealing with.